Exploring Star Trek warp drive and the Alcubierre concept. Star Trek has long captured viewers' imaginations with its depiction of interstellar travel via the warp drive, allowing the Starship Enterprise to move at faster-than-light speeds. But how realistic is this concept? Is there real science behind it, or is it pure fiction? The concept of warp drive. The idea of a warp drive enables faster-than-light travel by warping the space around a ship. Instead of moving the ship faster than light, the warp drive bends space itself, effectively shortening the distance between 2 points without breaking the laws of relativity. This effectively bypasses the speed of light by moving space itself rather than the ship. The Alcubierre drive. Incredibly, this idea has some basis in science. Mexican physicist Miguel Alcubierre, who specialized in general relativity and gravitational physics, proposed a mechanism in 1994 by which a spacecraft could achieve faster-than-light travel. This would be done by contracting space in front of it and expanding space behind it, effectively riding a bubble of warped space. Known as the Alcubierre drive, this concept was significant because it provided a potential framework for faster-than-light travel without violating Einstein's theory of relativity. In theory, the ship wouldn't be moving faster than light relative to its surroundings. Instead, space itself would be moving, which doesn't break physical laws. However, the challenges involved are immense. The energy required to create a warp bubble remains far beyond our current capabilities, even with recent refinements to the estimates. Challenges and limitations. The Alcubierre drive also requires negative energy or exotic matter, which has properties fundamentally different from anything we've produced in significant quantities. Negative energy appears in quantum mechanics, such as in the Casimir effect, but scaling it up to create a warp drive remains beyond our reach. There are also safety concerns. Beyond the immense energy requirements, some scientists speculate that the energy fluctuations involved in a warp bubble could produce catastrophic radiation, such as intense gamma rays, making it impossible to sustain life on board. Additionally, any objects in the path of the warp bubble could be subjected to intense forces, potentially creating a hazardous environment for the ship and anything it encounters. Scientific inspiration. Despite these challenges, the fact that a mathematical framework even suggests faster-than-light travel is astonishing. The Alcubierre drive is one of the few science fiction concepts that has inspired legitimate scientific inquiry into interstellar travel. It pushes the boundaries of our understanding of space-time and motivates physicists to explore ways to overcome the vast distances between stars. Future possibilities. The concept of the warp drive challenges us to think beyond current physics. Advances in our understanding of dark energy, an unknown form of energy thought to drive the universe's accelerated expansion, could one day help us manipulate space-time. If we could harness dark energy, it might open up new possibilities for creating warp bubbles. The Star Trek warp drive may be far off, but it inspires us to dream big. Perhaps a new understanding of quantum fields or dark energy could bring us closer to what the Alcubierre drive represents. Until then, warp drives remain a symbol of our aspirations to explore and push the limits of what is possible. The dream of faster-than-light travel motivates research into advanced propulsion systems, including concepts like wormholes, which involve creating shortcuts through space-time, and laser-driven light sails, which use powerful laser beams to propel lightweight sails to high velocities. Alternative propulsion systems. Other potential warp drive analogs, technologies that mimic some effects of faster-than-light travel, are also being explored. Concepts like nuclear fusion, which involves fusing atomic nuclei to release massive amounts of energy, or antimatter drives, which generate power by annihilating antimatter with matter, could bring us closer to interstellar travel within a human lifetime. While these technologies fall short of true warp capabilities, they represent meaningful steps toward exploring distant star systems. Conclusion. The Star Trek vision of a warp-capable starship speaks to our deepest desires for exploration. It challenges us to imagine a future where the stars are within our reach. As our understanding of the universe evolves, so too does our potential to realize dreams that once seemed purely fictional. If you're interested, we could explore how recent discoveries might impact the possibility of warp drives or compare Star Trek's technology with other sci-fi series like The Expanse. We could also look at alternative faster-than-light concepts like wormholes or quantum tunneling. What direction would you like to explore next?